Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use AWeber for email marketing. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, we add a subscriber by clicking on the subscribers option in the top right corner, then selecting Add Subscriber. In the interface, we fill in the required fields, such as name and email, along with any other necessary information. After completing the process, click on Add Subscriber to include them in your subscriber list. Next, click on the Messages option on the right side of the dashboard, and then select Email Template. In the interface, you have two options. I clicked on Design My Own Template, and then selected Start with AWeber Template. On the screen, you'll see a template that you can edit. Edit the template as desired. Once you're done, click on the Save option in the drop-down on the right side. This will save your email template. In the drop-down on the right side, there's also a Report option where you can view your data. I hope this process makes it easy to use AWeber for email marketing. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.